Legendary Driver 1.1.
You better stop! Stop! Bitch, stop!
Legendary Driver 1.1.
No helicopter tapos mag-heist ka.
Oo.
Minsan ang talino mo rin kausap eh, no?
Ganun talaga. Tapos dadali natin yung Mr. Bean na kotse. Woo!
NANI?!
Hindi tayo magra-Rambo, pre. Hindi tayo magra-Rambo, pre.
Ford Mustang.
Yan, kailangan.
Okay, sirain mo yan.
Piloto.
Okay, sirain mo pa. Very nice. Imbes na tulungan mo ko, lalo mo na pinahirapan ang paglabas ko. Very nice.
Tumawa ko.
You mess with the wrong house, fool.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, maling building. Pala. Paano ba yung console?
Flashback.
Hindi tayo magra-Rambo, pre.
End of flashback.
Ang galing mo! Magaling ka. Magaling.
Again!
Hindi yan naakyat, pre. May kaso eh.
Again!
Ay, sorry. Oh!
Dito! Sundan mo ako!
Teka, tara, pre.
Ang gamit ko! Go! Go! Namumula ako.
Yuko, pre.
Namumula ako!
Yuko, pre. Yuko.
Huwag kang yumakay kayo, driver! Ay, huwag kayo! Oh.
Makakalusot tayo dyan. Makakalusot tayo dyan.
Dalian mo! Upos na mo! Dapat may shotgun. Oh, shit!
Oh no, oh no.
Oh no, oh no, no!
Uy! Pa tayo, pre. Pre, ginigit. Pre! Bilisan mo, ano, boss?
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Hindi ko nakuha. Sana ko! Tamo dito!
Aray!
Stop it. Get some help.
Kala ko maulis tayo. Ay, kinatid! Tayo mo pala! Sabi, pre, bilisan mo, pre! Bilisan mo, pre! Yar!
Saan tayo pupunta? Dalian mo! Oh!
You had one job.
Hindi yata tayo kasi sa ano na.
Pre, takbo, pre! Ano motor? Oh!
Nasaan ka?
Natawa sa tabi mo, bilisan mo! To the right, to the right, to the right. Oh God, to the right.
Tiniwan ako ng isang aray. Oh. Nawawala kaso natin.
Sorry, kala ko kalaban.
Ako yan!
God.
How? I don't know.
Wala talaga FBI, pre.
Bakit pulis?
Oh, patay.
Dalawa lang ang face ko. Mamamatay ako, papatayin ako, o mamamatay ako sa'yo. Mamamatay ako sa pulis, o mamamatay ako sa'yo. Galingan ko ng anak ko.
Meanwhile,
Utang enang yan. Binaril pa kasi.
What's up, walkers?
Oh! Smooth! Smooth! Yeah. Smooth na rin. Bottom door.
Ay, ikaw pala yan.
Fucking bitch!
Uy! Aba!
Me?
Aba! 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 Ang lakas ng olats mo ah! Sa sasakyan ko pa talaga sinira.
Hindi tayo gagamit ng kuruma. Ah,
Your pizza is here.
say goodbye to your car.
Wait lang! No! Wow! Ba't may bomba?
Hindi pa.
Ay, di ba ba?
Takbo dyan! Takbo dyan!
Ay! Still is car! Move!
Ah! Double kill! Na-double kill tayo ni Kalbo.
Grabe namang shotgun yun. Walang pa ano? Walang pa hintulutan.
Sinatgan eh, no?
Grabe. Nasaan ka na, pre?
Yan na.
Ah. Help.
Help! They shot my buddy! Help!
Pre, nasaan ka? Oy! Anong ginagawa mo?
Tara na. Drive the car.
Go, mag-drive! Hindi ko mag-trip.
Oh, trash. Oh.
No way!
Alam mo?
Oh!
Oh, gog!
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Yan ka! Upa. Pre. Pre. Sama na loob mo sa akin eh. Sama na loob mo sa akin.
Oh! May dalang shotgun dito.
Did you?
Ikaw ba? Oh, patay ka. Oh, shotgun po. Pula mo ko.
Welcome to San Andreas. I'm CJ from Grove Street.
Okay, naka-ceramic pistol lang. Naka-ceramic naman tayo dito madidetect lang.
Come on, quick out the chute. Boss lady's office is crawling with bugs. Take the stairwell on your right up to the first floor.
Ayan na naman yung bug
Follow
ng
around.
GTA.
Someone will show you through to the infestation.
Good work so far. You're in the staff lobby.
Balikan ko dun ah.
No one will want to mess with the fumigators, so you should have free reign of most of the staff lobby, office, and hotel. The vault? Not so much.
Ito yung gusto mong patayin eh.
Hey, bug guys, up this way. They're thick as fleas on a farm dog up here.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Parang
Ang dami.
routine na natin yun. Parang routine na natin yan.
Lone Star, big blue sky.
Ito lang. Kaya lang.
Babae na yan.
Quit dawdling and get through these doors. This is supposed to be the easy part.
Bilisan mo, bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo dito.
Hindi ako makatakbo dyan. Baka makatakbo. Hindi ako
One.
We're
makatakbo.
almost there.
Naka-crouch ka eh.
Let's go!
Enter.
Go.
Enter. Oy, mukhang di tayo mag-mission fail ah.
Okay, we made it here. Get out your equipment and get into the vault.
At ano na naman tayo sa pool.
2,000 years later.
Buksan mo yan. Dali mo, pera dito. Pre!
Pre, kailangan mo mag-hack ng pinto.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Hit the cash. Get as much as you can.
Cash!
Oo, cash lang to.
Shit.
In and out undetected. Who'd have thought it? People,
Ready?
this is the mother load. We cleaned them out. Okay, let's
Oh.
see if we can make the way
Wait lang.
out as smooth as
Go.
the way in. Get your key cards ready.
So, anong bibili mo sa pera mo, pre?
Wala. Akong mabibili. Kailangan ko mag-ipon ng hangar.
Ito yung first edit mo, no?
Sige, mention mo pa.
Pre, ba't ang bagal ko?
Tumalon talong ka.
Oh, shit. Kalimutan ko pala.
Alright, now stay calm. Back the way you came through the checkpoint. Nothing to see here.
Nako, ito yung malakas mag-fail sa atin.
Hey, this place is off limits. I'm all set to tear you a new one. Come here.
Josh!
Pre?
Alright, now stay calm. Back the way you came through the
Teka lang.
checkpoint. Nothing to see here.
Barilin mo yung CCTV na nasa taas ko pagkapatay ko na itong isa. Go!
Parang ano?
Bakit ikaw y- Mali! Josh, kat pinaril ko yung nasa kanan!
Back the way you came through the checkpoint. Nothing to see here.
Uy!
Pre?
Bakit?
Nakatayo lang ako, pre.
Pre, ikaw yung sinisisi ng game.
Anong gagawin? Anong tama gawin yan?
Nakatingin siya dun sa pinto, tapos nung paglabas ko nung ano, biglang humarap.
You can't be here.
Ay, yung...
Ha? Uy!
Just step it.
Ha?
What?
Uy, bakit?
Oh!
Alright, now stay calm. Back the way you came through the checkpoint. Nothing to see here.
You can't be here.
Ah! Kila.
Say goodnight!
What?
Cocksucking. You look
Binaril ka eh, no?
Ha?
Binaril ka eh.
Kasi ko yung na-detect.
Die, asshole!
We've got some heavy chatter on the police frequencies. Sounds like they're sending news.
Asan na-detect ka ng camera eh? Ikaw
Hindi.
mga mauna.
Antay mo, antay. Diyan ka lang.
Alright,
Dito
now
lang ako sa
stay
loob.
calm. Back the way you came through the checkpoint. Nothing to see
Ako sa loob, ah.
here.
Parang
Oy,
actually
shit,
ka lang
shit, shit, shit.
naglalakad.
Di mo ako
Ano
nakita
nangyari?
Hindi.
Ginagawa mo?
Ba't ganun? Ba't pabaliktad ka agad?
Anong pabaliktad? Eh, hindi siya nakabaliktad sa'yo.
Hindi yung camera. Hindi umiikot ng 360 oh. 180 lang. Wala.
Seryoso?
Oo, di ba umiikot yan?
Oo. Ba't hindi? Ayun.
Kaya lang. Kaya lang, wag mo na. Wag ka mo na lalabas. Wag ka mo na lalabas. Teka lang. Josh, wag mo na. Matititik ka eh.
Yung sabi. Ikaw yung hindi. Saan
Di
ka?
ba? Ay, tanga.
Pre?
Kalang. Madali ka ba? Do you wanna die?
I'm already dead.
Sa
Get in the
Santa.
elevator. You'll need to hack it and then go to the ground floor.
Check mo may CCTV ah. Kinahak.
Patay mo na yan. Diretso na ako. Kailangan mamatay yan.
Hey!
Okay. Yung camera saan nakatutok?
Tanga.
Get in the
R,
elevator.
R,
You'll need
R.
to hack it and then go to the ground floor.
Likod. Pre, saan ka?
Ano to na?
Okay, good, good.
All right.
Ayun. Oo naman ah.
Kinabahan.
Okay, I need you to stay calm.
Oh!
They've seen what you did to the vault, and now the whole place is locking down
Alang.
fast. They know you're still in the building. Just keep moving and keep quiet.
Kaya lang, pra.
Sige, sige.
Kaya lang. Balik ka dun. Kaya lang.
They're closing in on us. We need to pick up the pace. Security is sweeping the whole building. Stay one step ahead, or this whole thing goes south. Now, we got your
Kaya lang.
weapons into the
Balik.
laundry. You guessed it, in the laundry room.
Malaki ng range niya.
Kaya lang.
Sabi mo kung tatakbo ako.
Bilisan mo na. Ang tagal mo naman. Di ka kagad sumunod. Kaya lang baka may kalaban to eh. Ito, baka may kalaban. Wala. Okay.
Disguise.
Ah,
Paano?
Kasi- Ay, bakit weapon lang? Walang disguise?
Nasaan yung disguise natin?
Oh no!
Oh! Huh? Where's our disguise?
Wala.
Hindi. Dapat meron yan.
Di tayo kumuha.
Ito! Ay!
Di tayo kumuha. Kailangan. Huwag kang lalabas! Huwag kang lalabas! Okay, napatay ko na.
Basta may CCTV.
Oy, teka. Labas ng labas. Teka, alig. Ano to?
Ay no!
Teka lang.
Phone bag.
Teka lang. May nakikita ko NPC. Diyos,
Ayun.
huwag kang lalabas yan. Huwag kang lalabas dyan. Dito ka sa kabila tumaan. May kabilang pintuan pa dito, pre.
Ito, patay mo muna.
Eka, hindi ko mapapatay ka agad yan.
Ito, meron pa isa.
Eka, hindi ko mapapatay yan. Josh, ba't ba nasa loob ka pa rin? Ba't ayaw mo lumabas? Ano mo dyan?
Sabi mo dyan ka lang.
Tara na, dito. Labas na dito. Bas. Josh, pumasok ka na.
Ayan na.
Di ka pwede sa ice. Are you ready to die, my friend? At saan ba tayo nagtatago? Oy! Oy! Josh!
Namatay ako.
Who the fuck is this? What is that?
What is this?
Eh,
Who are you? Pre? Pre? Nawawala yung kaso natin, pre. As in, literal na nawawala. Nakita na tayo.
wala na, pre. Tama na.
Pero nakakatawa pa rin yung una. Who the fuck is you? Wala akong snacks. Shoot!
Di pre, dito tayo. Salabungin natin to.
Yung
Kasi dito yung mini coopers natin eh.
nasa tapat.
Eh Josh, may ano, pakitulong.
Kaya, patulong na rin ako. Ayan, oh. Napatay ko na. Ah, may ano. May sa gilid. Snap. Ah, may helicopter.
Takbo pre, dito pre. Oh no.
Oh god.
Dito ka pre, dito, to.
Una ka na.
Dalayan mo Josh. Josh, imarkahan mo yung ano. Tatago ko muna.
Fire here so much as a siren, this whole thing goes up in smoke. Lose the cops.
Ayoko pre, hold X.
Tama ba yun yung merkahan ko? I don't know,
I don't know. Yung arcade
I don't know. Kaya nga, I don't know kung tama yan. Kasi may... Ayun yung tunnel. Hanapin mo na lang yung tunnel, pre. I don't trust this. I don't know if tama ito.
Sa tagal mo naglalaro, my friend. You didn't know it. Baka hindi nga yan yung tunnel.
Ayun, oh! Baba.
Hindi mo alam kung nasan yung arcade. Oh no.
Oh.
Ha? Ang tagal na year na tayo naglalaro, bro.
Ako pero ligaw lang ako. Mark ako. Tama pala ako.
Hindi,
Ligaw
hindi.
lang yung mark ako.
Malayo masyado. Inisip ko na lang eh. $300k lang makukuha natin dito.
$300k. Parang nagano lang ako ng acid farm nun.
I knew this would be sweet. Liberating large amounts of private equity from private equity. That's something even the IRS has trouble doing. But you strolled out of there carrying their crown jewels right under their noses. The ultimate humiliation. Oh, I've taken a whole lot of scores, but none of them has been sweeter than this.
Napaka-weird ng approach natin pero it works. Teka lang, baka mapunta tayo sa casino. Kabila na ako dadaan.
Ang weird ng sasakyan natin. Ano?
Ang weird din ang method natin, pre. Saka nakakita, walang costume.
Paril lang. Tapos may dugo pa sa harapan ng ano mo, kotse. Uy, Lamborghini. Wait, Lamborghini.
Clear out.
That is some crazy shit. Get stuffed, prick.
Congratulations! I mean, okay. That's not how it's supposed to do. But may parang 80k din pala.
Not elite pero it works. I mean, it works.
That's not how you're supposed to do the big gun.
I have no.
Paano tayo lalabas
Oh
dito?
no! Oh no! Paano lalabas dito?
Hindi, eh.
Dito. Got it. Dependent pisnus!
No, we can't escape.
No! Kill me! Ay, wala pala tayong baril. Wala tayong granada. Buisit ka. Ayun. Okay, good.
Ayun, bawal tayo mamatay.
If the cops takes you down during the mission, you will be arrested and all the members are arrested. The cocaine, locked up, will shut down. Paano yan?
Give yourself up!
Pinatungan ng tear gas yung area na yun. Dito, Josh. Dito ka. Huwag ka dyan. May ipit ka dyan.
Wala pala tayong baril.
I'm reloading. Son of a bitch! Dumb fuck!
Take out the snitch.
There you are! Come on! Find some cover! Ain't no use running!
May snacks ka?
Hey! Retreat! Christ on a stick!
May ginawa namin ito ng babaeng PC. Ay, babaeng police. Di kaya. Saan masakit?
Pre, sa harapan mo.
Get that son of a bitch!
Ayun ako nakita ng babae.
On it! Got your cover fire!
Tara,
Dito yung sakyan natin.
bulletproof pa yan?
Hindi.
God damn it. Go!
Walang bulletproof.
Go. Hold on tight. Pre.
Chill, my dude. Wasak. Tak na yan. Dapat. Oh. Deliver it. Mission accomplished. You want the long or the short?
Law. The law. Taste the undefeated law.